In today's video, we will learn to use Bookmarks VS Code extension. First of all, we have to install it from the marketplace. After we press Ctrl Shift P, we get the command palette, and there we have to type toggle bookmarks. Through this step, we can add a bookmark, and then to name it, we have to press Ctrl Shift P and then type toggle labeled. This would give a short description of the bookmark, so that when we check it in future, we will know exactly why it was added. We can add bookmark in multiple places and then also rename them with toggle labeled. After we have renamed the bookmarks, we have given specific names to the bookmark. We can check it by hovering our mouse over the bookmarks. We can click the bookmarks in order to go to places where it was placed. Here we can add multiple bookmarks to multiple files in multiple places. And after that, when we go to bookmark and click the bookmarks, we reach the place where the bookmark is placed and our cursor is right where it should be. So we can edit the code where the bookmark was placed, and after the things that we have decided are completed, we can delete the bookmark. Like this. So this is how we use the Bookmarks extension. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video, and hit the bell icon to join the notification squad. Let us know in the comments which part of the video was most helpful to you and share it with your friends. Thanks.